How do you transfer documents from Android to the iPhone? Let me show you some ways you can make it work. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, you obviously have some basic methods of sharing, for example, through Google Drive, where you upload it to your Drive storage with one account on one phone and then on the other, or if you have it on the cloud, like on Google Drive, you can locate the file and click on manage access and copy the link and make sure that anyone with the link has access to it, and you just message that link to an iPhone from the Android. So these are the most common methods. But if you ask me, the best way for me is to use an app which is called Send Anywhere. And this is a multi-platform sharing app which works naturally on both the iPhone as well as Android. And this app allows you to share it between the devices. So you open up the app on both phones and you just select the file on Android, and then on the iPhone you click on the app as well, choose receive and type in the code, and it's gonna connect over the Wi-Fi and it's gonna share the file instantly. So it works well for larger things like photos and videos. So documents which are even smaller should be done and sent, transferred in a very quick manner. So this is my personal favorite. So let me know what you think about this option below. I hope I was able to guide you through it and show you some interesting things. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.